Here you can see a little bit of asymmetry developing, so you gotta watch that because you don't want any, you want the circle to be uniform all the way around. So I gotta be careful to not continue to grind that one spot there. So here I made 2 pencil marks where I want to specifically grind just that area right there to even out the circle or the hole. So I've gotten this down quite a bit. Getting that thing lowered in there, but I think this part right here is hitting this rim of this drain. So I'm going to start cutting stuff out of here to lower this just by about 1/8 of an inch or less, and then I'm going to cut this guy out too. That's one here. So when I put this drain insert in here, drain cover, it doesn't go down as much as it needs to. That's because this brass nut right here fits right in here. So I'm going to grind this pipe down. I'm going to cut this pipe down. I can already see that this side over here is lower than this. I only need about 1/4 of an inch. So I should be able to cut that down, cut some of this out of here. Alright, let's see what we can do here. To get some dust out of there first.